name is Sushmita. I am the parent of Orithro Nath. He is in 3B in Oakridge Bachupalli campus. Let me first start by telling why we chose Oakridge. The main criteria as a parent for us was finding a school which had a lot of open space and also finding a school which would support creativity. As far as the open space concept went, when we came to Oakridge, we saw the campus, that criteria was fulfilled. We loved the space we found in Oakridge, and we knew that they would be given outside time and not confined in this classroom itself. The second criteria which we had was definitely the creativity. Now when I say creativity, I understand people have many different ideas for creativity. What we meant when we thought of creativity was, especially because my child was 5 when he started first standard in Oakridge, what we wanted was they should be allowed to write answers, simple question answers, be it a 1-line answer or be it a 4-line answer. The child should be allowed to write those answers on his own. The teacher would guide, definitely they do that, but he should be given the option of writing something on his own and judged on that criteria, on those parameters. Then obviously academics was important. It is the first criteria for each and every parent, but for us these two other criteria which I mentioned before was also very important. Oakridge does many events. Why I'm mentioning about the events is especially because my son, he loves to read, on many different topics, be it science or space, universe. Now for him to be able to showcase these topics, he is given a chance in Oakridge. Oakridge conducts events like they have exhibitions. So whenever the child is, my son especially, he is always chosen for exhibitions, and he's able to present himself. He's able to tell the parents what he understands, which is definitely a boost up for a child who is just 5 or 6 or 7. Another criteria which we had, or which we not criteria, I would say, another important thing about Oakridge which we loved was the academic stuff. I have been blessed with a very good, my son has been blessed rather with a very good class teacher. She is very nice, she is very accommodating, she explains the subjects very well. That is definitely a plus. Oakridge has a wonderful visual arts program. Our son, he loves visual arts. He loves to paint, he loves to draw, he cherishes those classes. Why I'm mentioning the visual arts program is, when I talked about the sports and I talked about the academics, along with the sports and the academics, the school has something else where, all different kinds of programs where each and every child would find something which they love and enjoy. All in all, we love Oakridge. More so because our son loves the school. He looks forward to come to school every day. Even when he is not well, he will wake up on his own, says that I want to go to school. As long as our son loves Oakridge, we love Oakridge.